What's up, y'all? I wanted to do my real late video for you sick awesome people. I've been just a little too busy, that's all. Anyways, went to Walmart today. Was gonna get an AC, but they didn't have any. Those cheap. So, I don't know anymore. Anyways, it's actually not as bad as it was the last couple days. Here's what it looks like. Sun's not shining, but what can you say? Anyways, I watched The Bachelorette, which was pretty interesting. Bentley, I heard Bentley's coming back when they go to summer, but I hope he doesn't, because he's a total jerk for leaving the show anyways. It's like, hopefully, he'll come back, because he doesn't deserve to be on the show. I don't know, I thought William was gonna go for what he has said. Anyways, he stayed, so, I don't know, it surprised me that Jeff took up his mask, so, I don't know. Love the show. People wait to find love, but I like the show. Anyways. And I'm doing my video on my cell phone, so. Cool. Anyways, see you again next week. Take care.